Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Consumer prices recorded a decline in the first 2 months of this year. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says prices fell by 0.2% over the months January to February. It means prices have gone up by just 4.4% in the last 12 months. That is comfortably at the lower end of the 4 to 6% target set by the Bank of Jamaica. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.86. The Canadian dollar is selling for $96.49. The pound sterling is costing $177.09, while the euro is going for $160.39. Dairymans Trading has released its prospectus detailing the terms of preference shares it intends to sell. The prospectus shows Dairymans Trading intends to raise between $250 and $350 million from the offer. The preference shares are to cost $2 each, with investors to be repaid in 2021. The offer, which opens next Monday, is scheduled to close on April 9. In the meantime, Victoria Mutual Wealth Management says CAC 2000's preference share offer closed on Friday. It said the offer, which sought to raise $200 million, was oversubscribed. The broker advised that investors will know how many shares they were successful in getting through the Jamaica Stock Exchange in a subsequent advisory. Trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended today with the JSE index up more than 1,902 points. The junior market index, however, lost 9 points. Now, stocks posting gains on Monday included 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Carreras, Elite Diagnostics, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Panjam, and Sagicor Group. On the losing end were 138 Student Living, Siboney Group, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, JMMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.